Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl, Miss Ileane. And today I want to talk to you about the Chrome browser. They're constantly adding new features. So I just want to go over a couple of them with you just to make sure that you're up to date. So let me do a quick screen share. One of the first things I like to do before I do a tutorial is hide the bookmarks bar. Oh my gosh, I have so many bookmarks. And sometimes I think it might be a little distracting for my viewers. So I want to go up to the three dots right at the top right hand side. And I'm going to go to bookmarks and then turn off show bookmarks. And there you go. The bookmarks bar is hidden. Next, we have these extensions. Now, this is a recent addition to Chrome. So we have this little icon here. It looks like a puzzle piece, actually, but it's the extensions icon. And what you want to do is turn off the ones that are not relevant to the task at hand. So you're not removing these extensions, you are simply turning them off so that they don't appear at the top of the screen. And of course, when you're done with your tutorial, your video, or whatever it is you're creating or working on, you can turn them back on. So you're simply pinning or unpinning them so that they don't appear. Eventually, you can remove them all if you want. But what I like to do is make sure I write down the ones that I want to bring back because there are some extensions that you won't need to show in the bookmarks bar. For example, there is the StreamYard extension, and that's just to help me screen share if I use StreamYard, but I don't need it to appear. It's there. It's just that the icon is hidden. So, and the last tip that I have for you today is the one that's actually making this whole canvas blank. And that extension is called the blank new tab extension. So I have it there so that I can have a blank tab. But in this case, I'm just going to remove it. And now this is what my typical new tab in Chrome looks like, where I have additional bookmarks because I probably don't have enough bookmarks. I don't know about you, but I can never have enough bookmarks. Chrome is always changing. Be sure to subscribe so you can come back here and get some more tips for extensions as well as how to navigate the Chrome browser. That's it for now, but I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.